So I'm gonna work on installing Windows 11. This is my system, okay? And this is what I'm working with. Now let's see. I gotta go to, where's my mouse? There's my mouse. Okay, so the region is good. English, yep. Next. Keyboard, next. Okay, repair, install Windows 11. Next. Wait, I agree. Everything will be deleted. Okay, I know I gotta check that. Okay, next. Now, product key, I'm gonna say I don't have, because once I log in, I'm gonna get it. It's gonna be automatically. Alright, so I want Windows 11 Pro. There we go. Next, we're getting a few things ready. Okay, there's a license, accept. And my purpose of this video is to see how long it takes. Okay, searching for disks. I should have two, so now this is what I'm gonna do with this. I'm gonna go through here and delete everything. So delete. Just go through it and delete it, because I have two disks in here. Delete. Some of it I cannot delete. Delete. Let's see. Yep, delete this one. Alright. What else we got in here that I can delete? This one I can delete. Wait for it to reset. There we go. Now, is that it? Okay. Unallocated space, I'm not sure what that is. Alright, so this middle one is my SSD or M.2. This is a mechanical hard drive, the top one. What are these other ones? That could be the USB. So I want to put it right there. Go to next. Select the location. Okay. I said next. Let's see what's okay. So Pro, keep nothing. Okay. Go to install. Now it's installing. Let's see how long it takes. 7% already. See if I go. Oh, sorry. It's a little too big. 10%. Now this is actual time. Installing Windows 11. And there's my mouse right on there. So this is the TV. It's an Element. It's like a 13-inch. I got 15%. Right now I'm using an Apple keyboard. So 20% done. So your PC will restart several times. This might take a while. It says it might take a while. 28% complete. Right now it's installing. %32%. 34, 34, 35. Okay, 37, 38, 39, 40. I'm gonna come off that for a minute, come down, whatever, and then we're gonna see from the time I ran around the TV edge. Where is it at? We stopped at 40. Now it should be at 43%, so whatever, 44. So these are a couple things that I'm putting in my computer. Let me take this off real quick and show you guys. So this is what's going on. So I have a remote. This is a remote eye. Let me bring you out so you can actually see a little bit. This here is a remote eye. So that's what that is. This here is an audio thing. Where's the thing I like? Oh, so this right here is actually for a TV tuner. If you can see, it's got the TV tuner right there for the antenna. So if I can get you, let me see if I can get you a, it's upside down, but hey, this is what I can give you, if you can get it. That's what it is, all right? But that's a Barrow TV tuner. Now let's go back. Oh yeah, and these are all the drives. I don't have them all in yet. I only got the one. But let me see. Oh, look, it's restarting. There you go. See, I knew if I come back. Alright, now what's it doing? So it's installing 0%. Please keep your computer on. Your computer may restart a few times. That's at 33% already. Alright. Oh, excuse me. 42. $55, 62. Oh, that's gonna restart again. Oh, guys, let me see if I can see it. Yep, there's the no signal. Now, guys, can you tell me what that dot is? It's always there when the screen starts up. All right, here we go. Back in here. There's a little task thing loading the little circle. All right, 94%. Oh, just a moment. Here we go. Here's the window screen. Now, let me see. So, that's right. Where's my mouse? Oh, there it is. Yes. US. Yep, I'm in the US. No, skip. And okay. Okay, connect. Oh crap. Alright guys, I'll be back. Let me see.